Hi, my name is Ivy Nguyen and I am in grade 12 in the Calculus and Vectors course. The question I will be doing is found on page 157, number 14. The question states, a box with a square base and no top must have a volume of 10,000 centimeter cubed. If the smallest dimension is 5 centimeters, determine the dimensions of the box that minimize the amount of material used. To start off the question, I drew a square base prism with labeling the base as x by x and the height as h. The volume was given the question as 10,000 centimeter cubed. The formula for volume is x times h, or x squared times h. Bringing down the 10,000 centimeter cubed as volume, we replace it here for v equals x squared times h. To isolate h, we will divide both sides by x squared. H would equal 10,000 divided by x squared. To determine the dimensions of the box that will minimize the amount of material used, we will determine the area of the box, which is given the formula x squared plus 4xh. When we expand this, we get x squared plus 4 times x times h. The x over here and the x squared will cancel out, leaving 10,000 over x. When we multiply 4 times 10,000, we get 40,000 over x. Next, we will find the derivative of the area. X squared derived equals 2x. 40,000 over x derived equals negative 40,000 over x squared. We will set the derivative equal to 0. 0 equals 2x minus 40,000 over x squared. We will bring the 40,000 over x squared onto the left side. Then we will multiply both sides by x squared. X squared times 40,000 over x squared would equal 40,000. 2x times x squared equals 2x cubed. Then we will divide both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 on this side. To get rid of the x cubed, we will cubic root both sides. Cubic root of 20,000 equals 27.14. Cubic root of x cubed equals x. Therefore, x equals 27.14 centimeters. To find h, we will substitute the values into the equation of volume, which is x squared times h. V equals 10,000, x equals 27.14, and h is unknown. 10,000 equals 27.14 squared times h. To isolate h, we will divide both sides by 27.14 squared. 10,000 divided by 27.14 squared equals 13.58 centimeters. Therefore, h equals 13.58 centimeters. These dimensions of the box will minimize the amount of material used.